Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to Pretty Brown Vegan, the place for plant-based comfort foods. In today's video, I will be showing you this super easy 2-ingredient vegan dessert. If you enjoy chocolate covered nuts, almonds, cashews, anything like that, you can use this recipe and method to make those at home with less additives and less processing. So just something simple, quick, and easy that I enjoy when it's that time of the month, me personally. If you guys are interested in seeing how I made this, go ahead and stay tuned. I got my ingredients today from Trader Joe's. I will be using this semi-sweet chocolate chips. They are dairy-free and allergen-free. I'll go ahead and get those in here. Just melt those up over a double boiler, which means in that pot underneath I have some water boiling. I just put a pot on top and put the chocolate chips right in there. And then just go ahead and continue stirring that until it completely melts down. Once it's completely melted, we're just going to go ahead and stir in our almonds. It's that simple. The almonds I'm using are raw. They don't have any salt coating or anything on them. So just raw almonds and chocolate chips. It's really easy. Just go ahead and melt that chocolate down and stir in those almonds, and I'll show you what we're doing next. Okay, once you have that well combined, we're just gonna go ahead and dollop these out on either some parchment paper or a silicone mat. Just go ahead and pour them out into your desired cluster sizes. Again, this is super quick and easy. You could do this with almonds, cashews, pretzels. You can do, I was thinking maybe like graham crackers and marshmallows. That would be really good, kind of like a s'mores cluster. But anything you could think of, just go ahead and pour these out. They will harden at room temperature, but I was ready to eat them, so I put them in the freezer. And then once you pull them out the freezer, they'll be completely set, and that is it. Again, super easy and a super tasty snack that's completely vegan, and it only took 2 ingredients to make. So if you guys enjoy this content, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. Thank you for watching.